Here at the Financial Freedom Hub, we know how frustrating it can get when you are aware of the incredible possibilities and opportunities that financial markets, alternative investments, and the online business world can open in terms of financial freedom and lifestyle for you and for your family, but when at the same time you struggle to grasp the right way to capture those opportunities so that your dreams can actually become true. The potential reward that can derive from financial markets, alternative investment approaches, and/or an online business, if you find the keys to the kingdom and learn to be successful, is incredible. Realizing that such life-changing opportunities and those dreams are basically almost at your fingertips, but at the same time not being quite able to make them become real and have a positive impact on your life can be really painful, especially if you're passionate, motivated, and if you're willing to learn and to make it. I know it's not easy, or so it seems, especially in nowadays world in which so much information is available and each of us is literally bombarded by so many approaches, methodologies, strategies, and philosophies for investing, for trading, or building an online business. And to be completely honest, the vast majority of what is around and available is either of poor quality or utter nonsense, and sometimes even a scam, often unnecessarily complicated and cluttered, hence not helpful or even misleading. Too often, what you find online, what is suggested, advised, and sold to you does not have your best interest as its main objective. And let's face it, it's a true maze out there, and the vast majority of people get lost. So after having tried a few approaches and failed, they give up, unfortunately giving up also their passions and their dreams. So here at the Financial Freedom Hub, we've decided to raise to the challenge and start to help as much as we can people like you with our same passion and dreams by collecting the best of what we've learned over several years of experience and start providing a simple, focused, smart, straightforward, realistic, effective, and decluttered approach that allows those who so desire to really take advantage of nowadays opportunities. Among the ways we help people and among the things we do is provide quality, serious, no-nonsense education so that you can gain financial freedom and do so with a time commitment designed around your current or desired lifestyle. Our aim is to give you and teach you everything you need, but nothing that you don't need to help you get on the right path so that not only financial freedom becomes a real possibility for you, but it also becomes as uncomplicated and straightforward as possible. One word of warning though. There's no getting rich quick and easy here, as we hate anything that resembles that mentality. That said, our objective is to truly fast-track your process of becoming successful and financially free, hence massively increasing the chances for you to be able to achieve your goals and your dreams. How do we achieve that? Well, very simply, we cut through the fluff, we remove the nonsense, we get straight to what matters the most, and we focus only on what is truly important, on what gives you leverage and scale, and on what can really move the needle in your financial situation and in your life. So, if there is a blessing we can pass on to others, including you watching this video right now, and if there is a way in which we can help and positively impact as many people as possible, that would be how to pass on a knowledge and a set of skills that will stay with you forever and that will allow you to create the life and lifestyle of your dreams. Because again, the opportunities are endless. You just need to know how to capture them. Well, this is your chance to learn how to capture those opportunities, my friend. So don't let this opportunity pass you by. Grab it with both hands by taking action immediately. So if you haven't already, please go ahead, get started, become part of our community, and get some of the invaluable free education and resources that we make available. You can access all that straight away and begin your financial freedom journey starting immediately. Links in the description below. Alternatively, what you can do is scan the QR code on the screen right now, and on the page that opens up, you'll find all the links to your free education, resources, and additional information. Oh, by the way, if you're finding this video interesting, valuable, or inspirational, please don't forget to click the like button. Also, if our philosophy and approach resonate with you, and if you're still watching this, chances are that some or a lot of it does, or simply if you found this video valuable, in that case, If you haven't already, a subscribe would mean a lot to us because it supports the channel, and what that also does, it gives us an indication that we're building an audience and that we're creating helpful content for people. And when you do subscribe, remember to click the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as we release a new video. Also, please leave a comment down below and let us know what's the first step you are going to take to start your financial freedom journey. Share that with us and with the other financial freedom hubbers in the comments below, and let's get the conversation going. Also, let me know in the comments below what you would like our next video to be about. And finally, please share this video with family, friends, or with anyone you think could find the video or our channel useful or interesting. That's it for today. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, take action, ride opportunities, always seek true freedom, be resilient, be consistent, carry on persistent, stay relentless, and most of all, remain unstoppable.